In this video, we are going to learn how to uninstall applications on our Amazon Fire TV Stick device. Imagine that you have an application installed on your device and you want to uninstall it. By the way, if you do not know how to install applications, here above I leave the video where I explain how to install any application from the store on our Fire TV Stick. That said, if you have installed any application and when the time comes you want to uninstall it, we will have to do the following. From the main menu of our Fire TV Stick, we will go to the right of everything. Just before the input wheel of the settings, we have the section My Applications, the one that comes out with the three little squares. Once we are there, we enter and go down to where it says My Apps. From here, where it says My Apps and Games, we will have to select the application of which we have installed and we want to uninstall. In any of the one we want to uninstall, we get on top, press the three little lines of the remote control, and as you can see, a side pop-up menu opens on the right side, where we have to select among other options the one that says Uninstall at the bottom. Once we press it, opens another larger pop-up menu, in which we are told that the application will be uninstalled, and if we really want to confirm the uninstallation, if what we want is to remove it, we go down to where it says Uninstall and click on it. In this way, you see how after a few seconds, the application that we wanted to uninstall disappears, stop using memory on the device, and then we have it removed. Well guys, as you can see, a super fast and super simple video. As always, if you have been useful, do not forget to leave me a good like. That is super important, as well as subscribe to the channel and give the little bell to not miss anything. As for me, that's all. As always, a pleasure, and until the next video.